These are sticky notes from my gate preparation. These are random formulas and topics which we may forget. So invariant reactions. F is equal to 0. Detectoid reaction. S to solid 2 gives solid 3 plus solid 4. Gamma 727 degrees centigrade and 0.8 weight percentage carbon alpha plus Fe3C perlite. Eutectic reaction. Liquid gives two solids. L gives what 1147 degrees centigrade and 4.3 weight percent carbon. Gamma plus Fe3C lead burite. Peritectic reaction solid plus liquid gives solid. Delta plus L at 1492 degrees centigrade and 0.18 weight percent carbon. Gamma austenite. This is iron cementite diagram. Uh, Iron cementite diagram. Till 768 degrees centigrade it is ferromagnetic. From 768 to further it is paramagnetic. uh, Maximum solubility is 6.678 percentage. Alpha ferrite maximum alpha ferrite 0.0088% carbon. Maximum solubility of carbon in iron. Alpha ferrite 0.008. From 0.008 to 0.8 hypoeutectoid steels. From 0.8 to 2.1% hypereutectoid steels. From 2.1 to 4.3 hypoeutectoic cast iron. From 4.3% to 6.67% hypereutectic cast iron. 2.1 is the dividing line between steels and cast iron. From 0 to 2.1 it is they are steels. From 2.1 to 6.67 they are cast iron. The alpha here, as we have seen above, at 723 degrees centigrade and 0 percent weight, the eutectoid reaction takes place, and from gamma gamma gives rise to alpha plus Fe3C. Alpha plus Fe3C. Here, eutectic reaction at 4.3% weight percent carbon and 1147 degrees centigrade. This line, eutectic point gamma plus Fe3C lead burite. Yeah, lead burite. Here alpha plus Fe3C. Here gamma plus Fe3C. Here delta from here 0.18 per 8% carbon. From delta plus L to gamma austenite 1492 degrees centigrade and 0.18% carbon. Peritectic reaction. This is peritectic point, eutectoid point, eutectic point. Del alpha, gamma, delta. This is BCC, this is FCC, this is BCC. Temperatures 723 degrees centigrade. This line 768 degrees centigrade, dividing line between paramagnetic and ferromagnetic. 910 degrees centigrade, 1147 degrees centigrade, 1400 degrees centigrade, 1492 degrees centigrade, 1539 degrees centigrade. Structure Fe3C cementite orthorhombic martensite BCT body center tetragonal. Structure of Fe3C cementite is orthorhombic martensite BCT body center tetragonal. G00 rapid transverse, G01 linear interpolation, G02 circular interpolation clockwise, G03 circular interpolation counterclockwise. Dy by dx at psi is equal to c is equal to v by u. Dy by dx at pi is equal to c is equal to minus u by v. Minus u by v. Delta, this is delta T1, this is delta T2, parallel flow heat exchanger, delta T1, delta T2 counter flow heat exchanger, LMTD counter greater than LMTD parallel. Compression ratio R is equal to V1 by V2, T2 by T1 is equal to R power gamma minus 1, eta vector is equal to 1 minus 1 by R power gamma minus 1. Orthogonal matrix A into A transpose is equal to I. Unitary matrix A into A power theta is equal to I. A power theta is equal to A bar whole transpose. A bar is conjugate. We will write those conjugates, then whole transpose. Orthogonal matrix A into A transpose is equal to I. Gear power P is equal to 2 pi n t by 60. Torque T is equal to Ft into R. Ft is tangential force. Ft is equal to T by R. Force along line of action or resultant force F is equal to Ft by cos pi. Radial force or separating force Fr is equal to Ft tan pi. Euler's equation dou u by dou t plus u dou u by dou x plus v dou u by dou y plus w dou u by dou z is equal to gx minus 1 by rho dp by dx. And this is Euler, but if we add plus mu delta square v term, then it is Navier-Stokes equation. Dou v by dou t plus u dou v by dou x plus v dou v by dou y plus w dou u dou v by dou z is equal to gy minus 1 by rho dp by dx. Pressure gradient vector is equal to dou p by dou x I cap plus dou p by dou y j cap. Smoothness index is equal to root of sigma I is equal to 1 to n t max minus ti whole square, or sum of all those squares. Smoothness index. Balance delay bd is equal to 1 minus eta is equal to 1 minus total work content by n into tc. Tc is the maximum time, that is cycle time. Transmissibility ratio Tr is equal to root of 1 plus 2 epsilon r whole 2 epsilon r square by root of 1 minus r square whole square plus 2 epsilon r whole square. R is equal to omega by omega n. Magnification factor mf is equal to 1 by root of 1 minus r square whole square plus 2 epsilon r whole square. Definition of f hf is equal to FL V square by 2GD is equal to 4F prime LV square by 2GD is equal to FLQ square by 12 d power 5. F dash Weisbach friction factor, F prime fanning friction factor or a friction quotient. Tau W is equal to F prime by 2 rho V square is equal to F by 8 rho V square. This is definition of F prime. DH is equal to 4A by P if it is not circular. This is Darcy-Weisbach friction factor. This is a fanning friction coefficient. Fanning friction factor or friction coefficient. Cross section tau max by tau average, tau NA by tau average. Rectangle 3 by 2, 3 by 2. Circle 4 by 3, 4 by 3. Triangle 3 by 2, 4 by 3. Distance h by 6. Diamond 9 by 8, 1. Tau is equal to VA y bar by INA B. Tau max 3 by 2, 4 by 3, 3 by 2, 9 by 8. Drag force Ft is equal to half CD rho A V square. Power P is equal to Fd into V is equal to half CD rho A V cube. Rivets tearing strength of plate Ft is equal to sigma cap into B minus N dH into T. dH is whole diameter. Shearing strength of joint Fs is equal to tau cap into N into K pi d square by 4. D is rivet diameter. K is equal to 1 single shear, K is equal to 2 double shear. N is number of rivets. Crushing or bearing strength Ft cap is equal to sigma B cap into N dt. Here dt is D is rivet diameter only. dt is because of projected area. Crushing or bearing strength. Strength is equal to minimum of Ft Fs Fc. N is equal to maximum of F by tau cap K pi d square by 4 comma F by sigma B cap dt. Taper turning alpha taper angle or offset angle tan alpha by 2 is equal to capital D minus small d by 2 LT is equal to H by L. H tool offset to L total length, LT taper length. Sin alpha by 2 is equal to X by L. X offset to L length. Perfect truss M plus 3 is equal to 2J. M number of members, J number of joints. Statically determined at M plus 3 less than or equal to 2J. Green's theorem, integral of cyclic integral of mdx plus ndy is equal to integral dou n by dou x minus dou m by dou y into dx dy. Stokes theorem is cyclic integral a bar dr bar is equal to integral s delta cross a bar dot n bar into ds. Gauss divergence theorems, integral along a cross section into a bar dot n bar ds is equal to integral v delta dot a bar into dv. If we rotate it like this, then this total A is from top is omega square r square by 2g. Top in the sense from tip where it is like this. A is equal to omega square r square by 2g, height of paraboloid. B is equal to r square omega square by 4g. Center falls from initial height. Center falls from initial height. At center, water level is equal to h naught minus omega square r square by 4g. H naught is initial height. Treated as rigid body motion, delta pr is equal to rho omega square r square by 2. Clapeyron equation, dou s by dou v at T is equal to at constant temperature is equal to dou P by dou T at constant volume. Hg minus Hf by T sat ds is written like this is equal to dP by dt into Vg minus Vf. Vf neglected, Vg written as RT by P. Integral dP by P is equal to LH by R integral dt by T square. For a gear line of centers, this is base circle, this is pitch circle, this is pressure line or line of action. Common normal, this is common tangent to pitch circle. Pressure angle pi, pressure line or a line of action. Pressure line into this pi angle, which will be tangent to base circle. Vector project to normal distribution, event beta distribution. T is equal to TO plus 4Tm plus TP by 6. Variance V is equal to sigma square is equal to TP minus TO by 6 whole square. Sigma Cp is equal to root of sigma VCp. X later initial milk, Y later milk drawn and replaced by water after n times milk volume by milk volume plus water volume is equal to x minus y by x whole power n. Mechanical advantage MA is equal to T output by T input is equal to omega input by omega output. At toggle position, mechanical advantage is equal to infinity. Freezing ratio X is equal to Mr by Mc is equal to V by A R by V by A riser by V by A casting. Volumetric ratio Y is equal to VR by Vc. Euler's method, range quota first order. Y1 is equal to y0 plus hf of x0 comma y0. Yn is equal to yn minus 1 plus hf of xn minus 1 comma yn minus 1. Modified Euler, hence range quota second order. K1 is equal to hf of x0 comma y0. K2 is equal to hf of x0 plus h comma y0 plus k1. Delta y is equal to k1 plus k2 by 2. Y into x0 plus h is equal to y0 plus delta y. Range Kutta method fourth order agrees up to fourth order in Taylor. K1 is equal to hf of x0 comma y0. K2 is equal to hf of x0 plus h by 2 comma y0 plus k1 by 2. K3 is equal to hf of x0 plus h by 2 comma y0 plus k2 by 2. K4 is equal to hf of x0 plus h comma y0 plus k3. Delta y is equal to k1 plus 2k2 plus 2k3 by s k4 by 6. Y1 is equal to y0 plus delta y. Trapezoidal rule, I is equal to h by 2 into y naught plus yn plus 2 into y1 plus y2 so on yn minus 1 whole into gives exact value f of x polynomial degree of 0 or 1. Composite trapezoidal error directly proportional to h square order. Simpson's one-third rule, parabolic or quadratic fit or approximation. I is equal to h by 3 into y naught plus yn plus 4 into y1 plus y3 plus y5 plus so on yn minus 1 plus 2 into y2 plus y4 plus so on yn minus 2 gives exact value of f of x for a polynomial degree less than or equal to 3. Composite Simpson error directly proportional to h power 4. Rolling delta h is max is equal to mu square al delta h is equal to d into 1 minus cos alpha. Alpha is bite angle. LP is equal to root r delta h length of contact is force F is equal to sigma naught into B into LP. B is width. Torque T is equal to F into AALP. A is arm is equal to 0.5 if not mentioned. P power is equal to 2 into T omega. Here 2 is we use 2 as there are 2 rollers. Cantilever beam M is applied, theta B is equal to ML by EI, delta B is equal to ML square by 2 EI. Cantilever beam P applied, PL square by 2 EI, PL cube by 3 EI. Uniformly distributed load on cantilever beam, theta B is equal to WL cube by 6 EI, delta B is equal to WL power 4 by 8 EI. Cantilever beam W theta B is equal to WL cube by 24 EI, delta B is equal to 30 WL power 4 by 30 EI. Simply supported beam P applied, theta A is equal to theta B is equal to PL square by 16 EI, delta C is equal to PL cube by 48 EI. Simply supported beam W theta A is equal to theta B is equal to WL cube by 24 EI, delta C is equal to WL power 4 by 384 EI. Moment applied, then theta A is equal to theta B is equal to ML by 2 EI, delta C is equal to ML square by 8 EI. Sigma T is equal to K epsilon T power N. K is equal to K into ln of 1 plus epsilon E whole power N. Elastic strain recovered epsilon is equal to sigma by E. See, elastic strain recovered epsilon is equal to sigma by E. This is elastic strain recovered. When load is removed, elastic strain will be recovered. Final thickness is equal to thickness after compression plus recovery, which is epsilon into L. This is elastic recovery. This will be permanent, parallel to E with slope E. Laplace transform L of f of t is equal to 0 to infinity e power minus st f of t dt. L of k is equal to k by s. L of e power at is equal to 1 by s minus a. L of sin at is equal to a by s square plus a square. L of cos at is equal to s by s square plus a square. L of sin h at is equal to a by s square minus a square. L of cos h at is equal to s by s square minus a square. L of t power n is equal to gamma of n plus 1 by s power n plus 1 is equal to n factorial by s power n plus 1. L of f prime of t is equal to f dash of t is equal to s f of s capital F of s minus small f of 0. L of integral 0 to t f of t dt is equal to f of s by s. L of f double dash of t is equal to s square f of s minus s f of 0 minus f prime of 0. Integral 0 to pi by 2 sin power nx dx is equal to integral 0 to pi by 2 cos power nx dx is equal to n minus 1 by n into n minus 3 by n minus 2 into n minus 5 by n minus 4 so on 2 by 3 if n is odd, so on half into pi by 2 if n is even. Integral 0 to pi by 2 sin power mx cos power nx dx is equal to k into m minus 1 into m minus 3 so on 2r1 into n minus 1 into n minus 3 so on 2r1 by m plus n into m plus n minus 2 into m plus n minus 4 so on 2r1. K is equal to pi by 2 if m and n are both are even. K is equal to 1 otherwise. Joule-Thomson quotient mu jt is equal to dt by dp at h. dt by dp at a constant enthalpy is equal to minus 1 by cp into v minus dou v by dou t at constant pressure into t. Fourier series f of x a periodic finite number of discontinuities maxima minima. F of x is equal to a naught by 2 plus sigma n is equal to 1 to infinity a n cos n pi x by l plus sigma n is equal to 1 to infinity b n sin n pi x by l. C comma c plus 2l. A naught is equal to 1 by l integral c to c plus 2l f of x dx. Bn is equal to 1 by l integral c to c plus 2l f of x sin n pi x by l dx. An is equal to 1 by l integral c to c plus 2l f of x cos n pi x by l dx. Even function minus l to l. Bn is equal to 0. A naught is equal to 2 by l integral 0 to l f of x dx. An is equal to 2 by l integral 0 to l f of x cos n pi x by l. Odd function minus l to l. A naught is equal to 0. An is equal to 0. Bn is equal to 2 by l integral 0 to l f of x sin n pi x by l. Angular velocity omega z is equal to half dou v by dou x minus dou u by dou y. Vorticity is equal to 2 omega z is equal to dou v by dou x minus dou u by dou y. Shear strain rate gamma dot xy is equal to dou v by dou x plus dou u by dou y. Shear stress is equal to tau xy is equal to gamma dot xy is equal to mu dou v by dou x plus dou u by dou y. Linear strain rate epsilon x dot is equal to dou u by dou x. Euler theorem U is equal to f of x comma y homogeneous of degree n. Xux plus yuy is equal to nu. X square uxx plus 2xy uxy plus y square uyy is equal to n into n minus 1 into u. Efficiency of ideal regenerative Brayton cycle is equal to 1 minus T min by T max into Rp whole power gamma minus 1 by gamma. T min by T max less than 1, Rp whole power gamma minus 1 by gamma greater than 1, both combined less than 1. Eta Brayton is equal to 1 minus 1 by Rp power gamma minus 1 by gamma. True stress sigma T is equal to F by AF is equal to F by A into AI by AF. Sigma T is equal to sigma E into AI by AF is equal to sigma E into DI by DF whole square is equal to sigma E into LF by LI. Sigma AI LI is equal to AF LF. Sigma T is equal to sigma E into 1 plus epsilon E. Epsilon E is equal to delta L by Li. Epsilon T is equal to ln of LF by Li is equal to ln of 1 plus epsilon E. Strain hardening equation use only true values. Sigma T is equal to k epsilon T whole power n. At necking epsilon T is equal to n. Process capability ratio Cp is equal to USL minus LSL by 6 sigma. Process capability index Cpk is equal to minimum of mu minus LSL by 3 sigma comma USL minus mu by 3 sigma. Index means this, ratio means this. Helical gears Mn is equal to M cos psi, T1 by T2 is equal to D2 cos psi 2 by D1 cos psi 1. Psi helix angle. Gamma shear strain is equal to cot pi plus tan of pi minus alpha. Gamma dot shear strain rate is equal to V shear by primary shear zone thickness. If not given, gamma dot is equal to V shear by T1 by sin pi. Pressure is equal to W by LD. W is load, L is length, D is diameter. F coefficient of friction is equal to 2 pi square mu n s by P into R by C. Mu n s by P is bearing characteristic number. This is 1 by RCR. power is equal to Fw into R omega. Simplex method, number of basic variables is equal to number of constraints, number of non-basic variables is equal to n minus m. Transportation model, m sources and destinations, number of decision variables is equal to m into n. Number of basic variables is equal to number of constraints minus fixed is equal to m plus n minus 1. Assignment models, m is equal to n, always degenerate. Number of decision variables is equal to m square or n square. Number of basic variables is equal to number of assignments is equal to m or n. Differential equation, particular integral is equal to 1 by f of d into x. Yp is equal to 1 by f of d into e power ax is equal to 1 by f of a into e power ax. If f of a is equal to 0, yp is equal to x e power ax by f dash of a. If f dash of a also 0, then yp is equal to x square e power ax by f double dash of a. E power ax by d minus a whole power n is equal to x power n e power ax by n factorial. Yp is equal to 1 by f of d into sin ax plus b, then replace only d square by minus a square. If denominator is equal to 0, then yp is equal to x by f dash of d into sin ax plus b. Yp is equal to f of d whole inverse x power m, expand f of d whole inverse. Yp is equal to 1 by f of d into e power ax into v is equal to e power, take e power ax outside and write 1 by f of d plus a. In place of d, put d plus a and put it v. Merchant circle, this is merchant circle. First draw fc like this, ft like this, then resultant will be like this with phi angle fs and s, f alpha o n, beta minus alpha o pi. Orthogonal r is equal to root of fc square plus ft square. Tan of beta minus alpha is equal to ft by fc. F is equal to r sin beta plus f is equal to r sin beta, n is equal to r cos beta. Fs is equal to r cos of phi plus beta minus alpha, ns is equal to r sin of phi plus beta minus alpha. Fc tangential or main cutting force, ft thrust force, fs is equal to fc cos pi minus ft sin pi. Ft root of fr square plus ff square. Fr radial component, ff axial feed or axial component. Fs is equal to fc cos pi minus ft sin pi. Fs is equal to tau s into wt1 by sin pi. Ft is equal to ff by sin lambda is equal to fr by cos lambda. If psi s is equal to 0 degrees, ft is equal to ff and lambda is equal to 90 degrees. Lambda is equal to 90 degrees. Then f thrust is nothing but ff field force. Phi is equal to tan inverse of r cos alpha by 1 minus r sin alpha. Chip reduction ratio r is equal to t1 by t2 less than 1. Uncut, this is chip thickness. R is equal to lc by l is equal to vc by v is equal to sin pi by cos of phi minus alpha. W is equal to d by cos psi s is equal to d by sin lambda. T1 is equal to f sin lambda is equal to f cos psi s. Lambda principal cutting edge angle, psi s side cutting edge angle. Gears classification on basis of shaft axis, parallel shafts, spur gears, intersecting shafts, bevel gears. Non-intersecting and non-parallel shafts, skew or spiral gears. Special case worm and worm wheel gears, like they will intersect at right angle. On basis of straight and parallel to shaft axis, helical gears, straight but inclined to shaft axis, double helical gears, herringbone gears, axial thrust is equal to 0. F of z is equal to sigma n is equal to 0 to infinity a n into z minus z naught whole power n, and this whole thing is analytical part, plus n is equal to 1 to infinity b n into z minus z naught whole power minus n. This is principal part. Removable singularity, principal part doesn't exist about z is equal to z naught. A pole of order m, a finite number of terms in singular part m is equal to one simple pole, essential singularity, if principal part contains infinite number of terms. Path of contact is equal to root of r square minus r cos pi whole square minus r sin pi. This is path of approach plus root of r square minus small r cos pi whole square minus r sin pi. This is path of recess. Arc of contact measured along circumference is equal to path of contact by cos pi. Contact ratio is equal to arc of contact by circular pitch pi d by t. Stiffness spring k is equal to g small d power 4 by 8 n d cube. Small d is y diameter, capital D is this coil diameter, n number of active coils, gamma function is equal to integral 0 to infinity t power n minus 1 into e power minus t dt is equal to n minus 1 factorial. Gamma of half is equal to root pi. Sprue to avoid air aspiration, A inversely proportional to root h, A1 by A2 is equal to ht by h1 whole power half. Milling f mm per minute is equal to fm into z into n. Fm is mm per tooth, z number of teeth, n rpm. N rpm is equal to v by pi d. MRR is equal to f d w, w width of cut, d depth of cut, f mm per minute. Chip thickness T max is equal to 2f by nz root small d by capital D. T average is equal to f by nz root small d by capital D. F d w, d depth of cut, w width of cut, f mm per minute only. Forced convection over flat plate laminar and nu bar is equal to 0.664 RAL power half into PR power 1 by 3 is equal to HLD by K. Delta H is equal to 5x by root RAX. Delta directly proportional to x power half. H bar is equal to 2HL and nu bar is equal to 2NUL. Delta H by delta T is equal to PR power 1 by 3. Turbulent nu bar is equal to 0.036 REL power 0.8 PR power 1 by 3. Delta Hx is equal to 0.376 x by RE power 1 by 5. IE power 1 by 5. Delta directly proportional to x power 4 by 5. Delta H turbulent here is almost equal to delta T turbulent. H bar is equal to 1.25 HL, Nu bar is equal to 1.25 NUL. Here this is forced convection over flat plate. Forced convection through pipes and ducts. DH is equal to diameter of pipes for circular is equal to 4a by p for rectangular. Laminar Nu is equal to hd by k is equal to 4.36 for constant heat flux. Nu is equal to hd by k is equal to 3.66 for constant wall temperature. Delta H by delta T is equal to 1 by PR. Turbulent delta H is almost equal to delta T and Nu is equal to 0.023 RE power 0.8 PR power N. N is equal to 0.4 heating, N is equal to 0.3 cooling. Free convection RA Rayleigh number is equal to GR into PR and Nu is equal to GR PR whole power M. M is equal to 1 by 4 laminar when GR PR less than 10 power 9. H bar is equal to 1.33 HL. M is equal to 1 by 3 turbulent to GR PR greater than 10 power 9. H bar is equal to HL. GR is equal to G beta delta T LC cube by V square. H is these are cases here. H is equal to LC, H is equal to LC, LC is equal to A by P for a plate, LC is equal to D if it is horizontal cylinder. Best Y diameter dW is equal to P by 2 into secant theta by 2. For metric, theta is equal to 60 degrees. Pitch circle diameter or DE is equal to x minus dW into 1 plus sin theta by 2. For screws using rollers, PCD or DE. For nuts, we use balls. Y is equal to Y plus dW into 1 plus sin theta by 2. dw is equal to p by 2 secant theta by 2. For metric, theta is equal to 60 degrees. NPSH net positive suction head. NPSH is equal to P stagnation by rho g at inlet minus PV by rho g is equal to P by rho g plus V square by 2g at inlet minus PV by rho g. NPSH is equal to H atmosphere minus HS minus HV minus HFS. H atmosphere is P atmosphere by rho g. HS is suction head PHV. PV by rho g. HFS friction loss at the suction pipe. Thomas cavitation factor sigma is equal to NPSH by HM. HM is manometric head. Critical sigma C is equal to NPSHR by HM. NPSHR required is equal to HA minus HS max minus HV minus HFS. To avoid cavitation, P min greater than PC, sigma greater than sigma C, NPSH greater than NPSHR. Practical H max peak to valley height is equal to f square by 8 r. Area is equal to center line average is equal to f square by 18 root 3 r. H max is equal to f by cot psi e plus tan psi s. Area CL is equal to H max by 4. For turning it will be like triangles, so H max by 4. For shaping it will be like squares, so H max by 2. Slenderness ratio SR is equal to LE by root I by A, which is nothing but LE by K min. P critical is equal to pi square E I min by LE, EI by LE square. Circular disk I is equal to mr square by 2 is equal to pi rho r power 4 by t. Annular disk I is equal to pi rho t by 2 into r2 power 4 minus r1 power 4 is equal to m by 2 into r1 square plus r2 square. Punching, this is the product and this is scrap. Generally the word we use for punching paper is useful and that small round is negligible. For that punch size is always less than die size because punch should go through it. Here punch size is dh, punching punch we can remember like that. Die size is dh plus 2c, whole die. Blanking, this is scrap, this is product, this is punch die and dh minus 2c, this is die size dh. C is equal to 0.0032 t rho u. To avoid interference, lambda is equal to 1 by gear ratio less than 1. T min gear is equal to 2a by root of 1 plus lambda into lambda plus 2 into sine square psi whole into minus 1. T min pinion is equal to 2a lambda by root of 1 plus lambda into lambda plus 2 sine square psi minus 1. If it engages with rack, T min is equal to 2a by sine square psi. The addendum is equal to AM. Here M is module. Full depth A is equal to 1. Stub A is equal to 0.8. Cp minus Cv is equal to minus T dou V by dou T at constant pressure whole square plus dou P by dou V at constant temperature. Minus T dou V by dou T whole square into dou P by dou V. Cp minus Cv is equal to Tv beta square by Kt. Beta is thermal expansivity, Kt is isothermal compressibility, which is nothing but dV by dP. dd is equal to IR square dr by id square is equal to arc on time by total welding time. Tan I is equal to cos psi s tan alpha b minus tan sin psi s tan alpha s. Tan alpha O is equal to cos psi s tan alpha s plus sin psi s tan alpha b. Here cos psi s sin psi s tan then alpha b minus plus. If higher pair permits pure rolling, it restricts to degree of freedom. Degree of freedom is equal to 3 into n minus 1 minus 2j minus 2h1 minus h. Here as it restricts to, so here we should put that. Flow through circular pipe, tau is equal to minus dou p by dou x into r by 2 is equal to mu dou u by dou r. U is equal to u max into 1 minus small r square by capital R square. U max is equal to minus capital R square by 4 mu into dp by dx. V average is equal to u max by 2. dp by dx is equal to 32 mu v average by d square. Delta p is equal to 32 mu v average L by d square is equal to 128 mu L q by pi d power 4. F is equal to 64 by Re is equal to rho v d by mu. Flow between parallel plates, mu d square u by dy square is equal to dp by dx. Tau is equal to dp by dx into y minus h by 2 is equal to mu du by dy. Mu d square y by dy square is equal to dp by dx. Tau is equal to dp by dx into y minus h by 2 is equal to mu du by dy. H, this is velocity profile, this is a shear stress distribution. Here it is like this, shear stress distribution is like this. U is equal to 4u max into y by h minus y square by h square. U max is equal to minus h square by 8 mu dp by dx. V average is equal to 2 by 3 u max delta p is equal to 12 mu v average L by h square. F is equal to 48 by Re. Cotte flow u is equal to u y by h, simple Cotte flow, plus minus h square by 2 mu into dp by dx into y by h minus y square by h square. Flow between parallel plates. Spargarus, S is equal to sigma max is equal to m by I into t by 2 is equal to ft h by w t cube by 12 into t by 2. Sigma max is equal to S strength into strength is equal to ft by w my. T square by 6 hm is equal to y Lewis form factor. M is module. Actual condition dynamic more stress. So S is equal to sigma max is equal to ft by wmy into cv. For cv greater than 1, S is equal to sigma max is equal to ft by wmy into 1 by cv for cv less than 1. Just remember that for dynamic more stress will be there. Reynolds number, Re is equal to inertia force by viscous force is equal to rho v L by mu. Froude number, Fr is equal to root of inertia force by gravitational force is equal to v by root gl. Mach number, Ma is equal to root of inertia force by elastic force is equal to v by root k by rho is equal to v by c. Weber number, Wb is equal to inertia force by surface tension force is equal to rho v square L by sigma. Euler number, U is equal to root of inertia force by pressure force is equal to v by root delta p by rho. Delta impact is equal to delta static into impact factor. Impact factor if is equal to 1 plus root of 1 plus 2h by delta static. Eta volume is equal to V actual by V swept is equal to 1 plus C minus C into P2 by P1 whole power 1 by NE whole power 1 by NE. C is equal to clearance ratio is equal to Vc by Vs. Specific speed of turbine Ns is equal to n root p by h power 5 by 4. This is in rpm, this is in kilowatt, this is in meter. Dimensionless specific speed Ks is equal to omega root p by rho by gh whole power 5 by 4. 8 less than ns less than 30. Single jet Pelton turbine, high head low discharge. 20 less than ns less than 50. Multi-jet Pelton turbine. 40 less than ns less than 400. Francis turbine, medium head medium discharge. 300 less than ns less than 600. Kaplan turbine, low head high discharge. Specific speed for compressor ns is equal to n root q by hm power 3 by 4. N rpm q meter cube per second or liter per second, hm in meter. Dimensionless specific speed Ks is equal to omega root q by ghm whole power 3 by 4. Line, we can remember like this, these are used as lines. Bracket ABC, family of lines, this bracket ABC. Plane, this ABC, family of planes, flower bracket ABC. Ln of an by a naught is equal to n into 2 pi epsilon by root of 1 minus epsilon square. This is for damping amplitude after n oscillations by amplitude at first is equal to n into 2 pi epsilon by root of 1 minus epsilon square. Epsilon is equal to c by 2 root km. velocity V is equal to CV root 2g, H is equal to CV into root of 2g, H manometer height into 1 minus rho manometer by rho fluid. Impulse turbine blade velocity U by V nozzle velocity is equal to cos alpha by 2n. Alpha nozzle angle, n number of nozzles is equal to 1 if not mentioned. MRR PAM plasma machining greater than ECM greater than EDM greater than USM greater than EBM greater than LSM. ECM has the highest MRR greater than PAM. PAM greater than ECM greater than EDM greater than USM greater than EBM greater than LSM. Laser at least. Blasius equation d cube f by d eta cube plus f by 2 d square f by d eta square is equal to 0. Third order nonlinear ordinary differential equation. Ordinary d. Eta is equal to y root of u infinity by vx, u by u infinity is equal to f prime of f dash of eta. Blasius solution for laminar boundary layer u infinity delta of x is equal to fx 5x by root rex, delta directly proportional to x power half. Cfx is equal to 0.664 by root rex is equal to tau w of x by half rho v square. Cd is equal to 1.328 by root rel is equal to fd by half rho u infinity square is equal to tau w average by half rho u infinity square. For turbulent, delta of x is equal to 0.38 x by rex whole power 1 by 5, delta directly proportional to x power 4 by 5. Cfx is equal to 0.058 by rex whole power 1 by 5. CD is equal to 0.074 by rel whole power 1 by 5. I tail event, J head event, Dij is duration between them. Total float from this end to this end, total float is equal to Lj minus Ea minus Dij. Free float is equal to total float minus slack at head event, which is nothing but Ej minus Ea minus Dij. Independent float is equal to total float minus slack at head event minus slack at tail event is equal to Ej minus Li minus Dij. Interference float is equal to total float minus free float is equal to slack at head event, which is nothing but Lj minus Cj. All cycles, Otto cycle, adiabatic, constant volume heat addition, constant volume heat rejection. Stirling cycle, constant volume, isothermal. Joule or Brayton, constant pressure, adiabatic. Ericsson, constant pressure, isothermal. Diesel, PV, adiabatic, constant pressure, constant volume. Atkinson cycle, adiabatic, constant volume, constant pressure. This is just a reverse of above. Otto cycle, Joule-Brayton cycle, Diesel cycle, Stirling cycle, Ericsson cycle, Atkinson cycle. Composition, air-fuel ratio based on air-fuel ratio. 14.7 is stoichiometric. Slightly lean NOx will be maximum at slightly lean mixture. HC will decrease and then increase. CO it will be like this. Brake horsepower, brake specific fuel consumption it will be like this. Eta mechanical like this. IP it will be like this. Torque consumption it will be like this. Torque speed, torque, eta volume it will be like SFC, IP, BP. At high speeds FP will be increasing, so BP will decrease like this. V slider is equal to R omega into sin theta plus sin 2 theta by 2n. A slider is equal to R omega square into cos theta plus cos 2 theta by n. Omega connecting rod is equal to d beta by dt is equal to omega cos theta by root of n square minus sin square theta, which is almost equal to omega cos theta by n. Alpha connecting rod is equal to d omega cr by dt, approximately equal to minus omega square sin theta by n. First try to use eye center method only. Centrifugal pumps V2 bar is equal to U bar plus VR bar. backward curved when maximum efficiency beta 2 less than 90 degrees. If omega is like this, it will be bent like this only, backward VR to VU. Radially outward when minimum stresses beta 2 is equal to 90 degrees, it will be like this. Forward curved when if V omega is like this, the curve will be like this, and the triangle will be like this. Higher pressure ratio, maximum pressure rise, beta 2 greater than 90 degrees, had developed q beta 2 less than 90 degrees, beta 2 equal to 90 degrees, beta 2 greater than 90 degrees for forward. Single rotating mass to be balanced in its own plane, mr is equal to mbrb planes other than its own plane, mb1 rb1 plus mb2 rb2 is equal to mr. Movement mb1 rb1 x1 is equal to mb2 rb2 x2. mb1 rb1 is equal to mr x2 by x1 plus x2, x2 by x1 plus x2. Several masses in single plane to be balanced in same plane, mr rr cos theta is equal to m1 r1 cos theta 1 plus m2 r2 cos theta 2, so on. mr rr cos sin theta is equal to m1 r1 sin theta 1 plus m2 r2 sin theta 2, so on.